Hello, Agency Warriors. Coach Ryan here, continuing my series of problems that agency owners come to me with. Guess what? The next one is lack of sales and marketing strategy. Can you believe a marketing agency would have a problem with a marketing strategy? The truth is they're usually really good at doing this for their clients. The problem is when I investigate, most of the time these agencies don't have a mission or a vision, and therefore, how in the world can you do your own marketing and sales strategy? Your marketing and sales strategies have to follow the direction that you're trying to take your agency. So understanding where that is and where you're trying to take it is utmost important. And then you can align on marketing and sales strategy and treat your agency like a client. Extremely important, but you have to do it in the right order. So it is very common that I get into an agency that can't scale or grow. And the biggest issue is they have no consistency in their messaging and no consistency in their sales activities, and they don't have a plan to get where they're trying to go. If you'd like to learn more about how to do that, please reach out to me. Thanks.